Thank you so much. Right now, some breaking news at 12:30. A prominent Atlanta attorney, once convicted of murder in his wife's death, has now pleaded guilty to lesser charges right ahead of his retrial. Let's get straight to 11 Alive's Latasha Givens, who was inside the courtroom. So, Latasha, we're understanding this was all part of a plea deal for Tex McIver.
That's right. Good afternoon, Jonathan. We just left the courtroom a few minutes ago, and this guilty plea is years in the making. But again, this is a negotiated deal to avoid going to trial again. So Tex McIver pled guilty to lesser charges. Here's a little background. Tex McIver entered a guilty plea to charges of involuntary manslaughter, reckless conduct, and possession of a firearm during a felony. Judge Robert McBurney sentenced McIver to a sentence of 8 years in prison, 7 years on probation. He will receive credit for time served already behind bars. And the court has not yet announced the exact date when he could be released from prison. Back in 2018, a jury convicted Tex McIver of murdering his wife, Diane, in 2016. She was shot while she was in the passenger seat of an SUV. The state Supreme Court reversed that conviction back in 2022. Prosecutors then recharged McIver with murder, leading to today's plea deal. So again, Jonathan, this plea deal was accepted in lieu of going to trial for his wife's murder yet again. Now today in court, McIver spoke on his own behalf, and 3 witnesses spoke on behalf of Diane's family and the prosecution, and there was 1 witness who spoke on behalf of Tex. We'll bring you more details from what happened inside the courtroom later today at 4 o'clock. Back to you.
We will see you then, Latasha. Thank you.